Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can fix the basically the GPS drift within your Strava accounts. This is a very interesting and very important video, so make sure to check it out and understand it fully. Now, sometimes when you are running and doing your exercises, the data is not fully made. Sometimes the map will get lost, and basically, as you can see through the map, for example, we can just remove this. For example, let's say we are living somewhere here in Madrid. So this is Spain. Let's go here, Madrid. So let's say we were running here in Madrid in Subida Garapitas, and in this area we were running, and physically we are here, but accidentally somehow the data is located as if we were in Paris. And this can happen a lot, basically depending on your internet connection, if it is connected to satellite or not, and many things that could be causing the GPS to drift and get lost. In this occasion, what I highly recommend you to do is to actually use another application to catch your activity or to calculate your activity. Since Strava is not as 100% accurate, what I really do recommend you guys to use is either Samsung, Wear OS by Google, or Apple Watch. These three are the most accurate ones. They use normally satellites, and they will not need any internet connection to actually check your GPS. You will only need satellite, which is basically every device now is connected to that. So this application can help you a lot. So you can have your map not drifting at all, very fixed in one place, with which where you are located at. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.